Hello! Look, I'm sure you're here because you want to stand out and build your career as a WordPress theme developer, right? Maybe you've never been able to create your own custom theme and until now you're dependent on ready-made themes. Or maybe you already create your own themes but you feel frustrated because you don't understand how these themes really work. That knowledge is missing that special touch that will completely change things. And without understanding how a theme works, we realize that everything you're trying to do is never the way you want it. There's always a problem here and there that you can't solve because you don't have a deeper knowledge. I'm here to help you with all this. My name is Marcelo. I'm a WordPress theme developer since 2012, author of the books WordPress for Developers in Portuguese and the Web Developer's Guide to WordPress. More than 25,000 students have enrolled in my courses and learned how to create custom WordPress themes for their clients. More than that, many of them have changed their lives, improved their position in the company they work for, or started to build a promising career in the field. The feedbacks I receive every day are many. I'm very excited to teach you the same strategies and techniques that I use to create my own themes from scratch, from start to finish, without hiding anything because knowledge is to be spread. Everything in the smallest detail. Things that took me years to learn because nobody knew how to teach me how to do it correctly. That's why I created this course, the kind of course I wish I had enrolled in back when I started with WordPress some 10 years ago. You get all this now without the hassle that I had to go through myself at the beginning of my career. Check it out. If you have ever thought about getting into the profitable business of WordPress theme creation, but you needed someone to help you, you need someone who has done it before to show you what works and what doesn't. Then this is the perfect course for you. This is the second version of this course, which is now fully updated with the latest techniques for creating WordPress themes. In this new version, we are going to create a theme that will be independent of third-party tools. One that doesn't depend on plugins or any kind of framework. You see subjects such as the right way to install WordPress using two different solutions, both of them free. How to build the base files of the theme so you don't have problems in the future. How to create custom loops. And various types of support and have full control over the system template files, that is, content presentation files, how to create the inner pages of the theme, how to create custom fields to control the layout using the theme customizer, how to make the theme ready to be translated into any language. We'll also talk about an essential topic, security in WordPress themes. And at the end, you'll learn about some new tools for theme creation. We'll talk about the Gutenberg project, the WordPress blog editor, giving you an overview that will help you make the transition to the new types of themes introduced in WordPress 5.9. Along with the video lessons in this course, you get access to the extra course materials. All the code that you see me creating in the video lessons is available to you. They will help you correct errors and learn faster. Check it out, this is the most complete course on theme creation that you ever have the opportunity to take. Now is the time to invest in your WordPress theme development career. So are you up for the challenge? You have nothing to lose. If you don't like the course, you can ask for your money back within 30 days. Don't wait for tomorrow. Follow me, enroll now and start creating your first theme today. Wait for you in the course.